And I think we're live. It is the EuroAsiaAfrica Standup. We have Thomas and Tarek and Michael and Sam. I will start because I'm talking. And so, things that we did yesterday, Michael and I, we got the new kind of edX onboarding flow into the production system for the Agile Ventures, which all went reasonably smoothly. We've got, some little bits and pieces to tidy up, but that basically all works. We're pretty pleased with that. We also started experimenting with Stripe integration for payments. Yeah, nothing particularly blocking us, just lots to do on all fronts. Plan today, I guess Michael and I will probably focus on website one. We might have a little look at Autograders as well. Michael, anything to add to that?
No. I just wanted to ask Thomas, have you noticed any breakage on the Project Unify Slack integration?
No, but I haven't been paying attention.
Okay.
Perhaps. So I was talking about.
We made some changes to the Slack
Okay.
bot and the Agile Ventures website.
Okay, so the last notification I got from the bot was today at 8:30 a.m. So it seems to be working.
Yeah, no, and I think it's generally probably what Michael is referring to is, if you start a Project Unify stand-up or a pairing session, it may not necessarily notify in the Project Unify
the Hangout link in the
Project Unify channel. But maybe you haven't started one of those recently.
So why is that? Because it was working before?
Yeah, well, we've now have. Oh, go on, Thomas. Michael, do you want to explain?
We've tweaked the way that it filters the posts now, so it knows which project you're in, based on whether you're, what your Scrum or your event is associated with, which project that exists in the database already. But the problem is that it's sending the slug name, which apparently the name of Project Unify has changed from Tech Refugee to Project Unify. So the bot, as of right this moment, is expecting Project Unify because it was looking for it in a title.
Yeah. If you look at my screen, the difference now is that when you create an event on Agile Ventures, you get an option of associating a project with it.
Yes.
And we've set it up specifically now so that you can come in and we can even do project. But we do that with the slug name of the project. So for example, now we've got all of the edX people should come through and it will automatically associate CS169.
Gotcha.
So Project Unify there, it's got the particular slug, which is going to be project like there percentage 20 Unify. And so what we've got now is when this the event starts, is that this Project Unify slug...
Oh, you misspelled Unify there, Bernard.
Oh, did I? Right. Unify... Yeah.
Oh, perhaps I didn't. Okay, sorry.
I don't know, or the project slug... maybe the project slug is created with an underscore, possibly, or something. We'll have to work that out. But anyway, that's important.
I think it's actually Tech Refugee, right? Or
Refugee Tech is it?
Okay, so the slug is still on Refugee Tech. Okay.
Underscore tech.
Right. Okay, yeah, that's exactly it. Yeah, so then what we're doing is we're now sending this slug to the bot, and the bot doesn't necessarily know to connect Refugee Tech to Project Unify. Anyway, we can. I think we can easily fix that today.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So I have just a question, a UI question. So is there any reason why this project, this project scroll down doesn't follow the Bootstrap, CSS?
Not that I'm aware of.
You see that when you select category,
yeah,
the difference between the categories and the Project Unify scroll down.
Yeah, I guess this is this one here. Yeah,
the one above is set with form
oh right.
control.
Yeah, I was assuming that was because this was editable, but I guess it's not. No, there's no reason for that. I mean, I think they should be unified. I can create a UX bug now. Yeah, cool. Well, let's go on to you, Thomas. I think we've covered our bits and pieces.
So talking about Project Unify, we do have. I've used this interface for the first time yesterday, choosing Project Unify when I set up the meeting for tomorrow evening. So I'm very happy because of that you guys implemented this functionality where we can choose, project when we create events. Thank you for that. we were supposed to have a meeting, a Project Unify meeting with the project people yesterday here in Gothenburg, but they were a no-show. So I don't know what happened. I'm a little disappointed, but we are closing in on the MVP, breakpoint. We're just working with implementing instant messaging in the application, and we have the functionality for people to become friends, etc., etc. So it's just a matter of some finishing touches on the mobile app, and there is a beta test flight beta program with in App Store set up, and we will be sending out invitations. So if you're interested, you can post just say that I would like an invite to the test flight in our channel with your email, and Niklas will send them out. Yes, that's it. We're working hard at Craft Academy. The guys are writing a lot of tests, and today is their final day on a small challenge they got on Monday, and after that we will be working with some Angular stuff here at Craft Academy. So
good stuff. Yeah. Thank you, Thomas. Tarek, yeah, how are things with you?
Yeah, everything's fine. Yeah, kind of like getting to know more the way of writing test-driven development, like writing tests first and then start implementing the code, and getting to know this more. And I found it's like a very regular and very natural and makes sense. So I'm doing well, I think, with the help of Thomas. Yes.
Yeah, let me be the judge of it. No, I'm kidding. I'm doing great.
Well,
yeah, I inspired myself. Yeah.
I think if you're still alive in week 6, you're doing damn well. Because there's the skeletons of the other people who didn't make Thomas's grade. They're the ones. Sorry, actually, I'm sorry. They're the legal thing. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Going on. Excellent. Great to hear. Great to have you with us, Tarek. Mazen, how are things going with you?
Looking good. Not as positive as Tarek, but it's okay. No, actually, it's really looking going good. A lot of news now.
Yeah. So you've done, I mean, you've covered so much stuff now. I mean, you've gone through. I saw your middleman site, which looked great. What are you working on now, Mazen?
Now working on that rail thing for messaging.
Right, Rails into messaging. Yeah.
Yep. So it's a new thing with Rails and stuff like that. So I'm getting to know a bit more Rails. I think I'm getting a bit more confident on the back end. I'm still facing a couple of challenges when it comes to the front end stuff. But apart from that, I think all in all, I really didn't thought that would be at that stage at that time, I would say.
Good show. And so nothing particular blocking anybody at the moment. We've just got lots to do and lots to get on with.
No. It's small things, small CSS stuff that I cannot continue, but that I will solve.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Good stuff.
They're doing a lot of pair programming now, remote pair programming. So that's a challenge.
Good stuff. Yes. Michael and I have been doing putting in a lot of hours on the pair programming. We've got a text update from Free Ranger. He's got some pull requests, long names for the user screen for WSO. He's got a blocker which is trying to fix things on the mobile view for website 1. I think he's got it in the pull request, also posted in the Tech Talk channel. Yes, and that's about the size of it. Other updates of it. In about 35 minutes from now, we've got a meeting with Charles, who's our sales IT. What's the right word for me? He's sort of a sales charity visionary person who's got new wording for the Agile Ventures Constitution and charity submission. So we'll be chatting about that at the top.
Do you want me in that meeting today?
You are more than welcome. I think up to you. I mean, have a look at the document. I mean, you balance your time. I think it's I mean, in some ways, I'm sort of loath. I'm mixed for myself because one, I want to get this charity submission done, and I want to get start up and just start taking payments for membership for the charity. Charles was talking about developing a more concrete business plan. I'm sort of torn between, like well, anyway, there's an interesting conversation we could have if you join the meeting, but entirely up to you.
All right, I'll try.
We'll see. Yeah.
Take it easy, guys. You know what to do. On the Craft Academy side, just keep on working and making those commits. Let's try to wrap this up as soon as possible because we have other stuff to do later on. Okay.
Okay. Good. Bye.
Thank you. Live long and prosper, guys.
All right. Nanu.
Bye, Thomas.
Bye.
Bye for now. Okay, well, I guess we can stop the recording there. I will go and make myself